Constant Contact is built for businesses that want email marketing without needing a marketing degree and three spreadsheets just to spend a newsletter. Its biggest strength is simplicity. You can create campaigns, organize contacts into segments, and build automations based on customer behavior. That means you can send more relevant emails instead of blasting the same exact image to everyone and hoping for the best. Segmentation is particularly useful for separating new subscribers, repeat customers, or inactive contacts. Automation then lets you trigger follow up emails without manually sending every message. The newer AI tools can also help speed up content creation, which is useful when staring at a blank email draft has somehow become a full-time job. Where constant contact falls short is flexibility. Its automation tools are useful, but businesses with highly complex customer journeys may find platforms like ActiveCampaign or HubSpot more powerful. So, Constant Contact is a strong choice for small businesses that want straightforward email marketing, useful automation, and easy audience management. It's not the best or the most advanced platform, but for businesses that value simplicity over endless customization, that's exactly the point.